Happy birthday, dear Sonia. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. All my Africans sing. How old are you? Where is Jimmy? May God bless. Come on. I got no respect to the tradition.
Cheese! What are we saying? Okay. Gang.
And we're taking 6 on.
One.
You've lost.
Why are you being shy for? Why? Yes, girls. Okay.
Hi, Shishel. So, I'm Genesis.
I'm Kemi.
I was saying happy birthday to Shishel.
Happy birthday to Shell.
Thank you.
She's even recording it, so it's not, it doesn't make sense, does it?
This is what you do.
You guys really look good in the camera.
Shishell's 25th birthday. Got some chicken, okay. We got some barbecue chicken, I think it is. Got some dumplings. Got a big Ferrero Rocher, another Ferrero Rocher, some juice, some Krispy Kremes, and an amazing cake. I don't know who made it. I think Shishel will probably say something about it later, but an amazing cake. Some Bel Air Rosé. We got a pink theme going on. Don't know if you saw that. Some fried chicken because we're black, so duh. So yeah, good vibes.
After one game, this is the result. Oh no, please don't do that. You're right.
But you don't like get up and
Ain't no way to reach your
Choose that one.
Who's next? I did it! I dug out my wedgie! She told me to walk in a straight line. Is she crazy? Is she crazy? Who said that? Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Why are you being shy? Who sleeps like this? Yeah. No. Say cheese. It's Kayla.
Next day.
afternoon, guys. Yesterday was lit. And thank you for all the messages, all the presents, all the cards, the money. Your girl turned 25 and decided to try out a wig. And of course, we had to support black businesses. So everyone that helped me look so good on my birthday are all black businesses. Period. It's how many days later from my birthday. I thought I'd use today to literally just say thank you to everyone that came. Thank you for all the messages. Thank you for any little presents or anything that you've given me. And most of all, thank you God for allowing me to see 25. Birthday wishes. Have a fabulous time. If you don't know me, I love money. Can't afford to lose it. So yeah, we're gonna keep that safe. Have an amazing birthday. This is from my uncle. More money. Another one. A couple of my girls got me cake, paid for my cake, should I say. Got my makeup did. Listen, when you have friends that are talented, yeah, like all my friends are winning in different ways. Like they're all winning. My sis Naka, she did my makeup. My face was looking on the day. I know you saw that. Yes. I'm gonna drop everybody's app, to be fair, in the bottom. We've got my girl Ade, who did my lashes on the day too. Copped a pair of lashes from her. My wig, my first ever wig, installed by my girl Talani. Cakes, you've got Liz and Chanel. I hope I'm not missing anyone. I love you all, honestly. Ooh. Somebody said I'm expensive. What? Expensive. I don't think I've told you guys. Anytime I have a purse, it's been gifted. I have never bought a purse. I need a holiday. You know, when everyone was talking about, oh, we'll wait, we'll be fine, wait till 2021. No, I'm not on that wave no more. I'm ready to go. I've seen a few people on Snap that are in Spain, that are in Portugal. Why am I here? Thank you to all those that were involved in planning it. My mom especially. Love you. It is my girl Elizabeth's birthday. Happy birthday, Lizzie. The staff are looking at me funny because I'm recording. I don't know if they feel like there's pressure on or something, but it's like they're actually really lovely here. I'd actually come back here. So, yeah. I'm gonna put the camera away because I think I'm intimidating them and they feel like there's a bit of pressure, even though there's not. And I will see you guys when Elizabeth gets here.